masterclass. Did you know people are building YouTube channels using AI and some of them don't even show their face? Today I will show you how beginners are getting started with AI and YouTube step by step. Most people want to start a YouTube channel, but they face a few common problems. They don't know what content to create, they don't want to show their face, and editing videos feels complicated. So they give up even before even starting. The solution is, but things have changed now. With AI tools, you can actually create videos, write scripts, even generate voiceovers without needing advanced skills. That's where a proper system becomes important. There is a beginner-friendly course that explains how to use AI tools for you to step by step. It shows how to find trending video ideas, create scripts using AI, generate voiceovers, edit videos easily, and even monetize your content. This is especially useful if you are just starting out and want a clear path instead of guessing everything. What I like about this approach is that focuses on simplicity. You don't need expensive equipment, you don't need prior experience, and you can start with just a laptop or even a mobile device. It's more about learning the right method. I've looked into this method and it's designed for beginners who want to start something online step by step. If you stay consistent, it can help you build a real skill over time. Of course, this is not a get-rich-quick system. You still need to put in effort, team, and stay consistent. But if you are serious about starting with AI and YouTube, you can check out the post.
And some of them don't even show their face.
It is a simple way to get
I'll show
started
you how
and
beginners are getting started with
properly.
AI and YouTube step by
If you
step.
found this helpful,
Most people
make
want to
sure
start a
check the
YouTube
link
channel,
and start your
but they
journey
face a few common
and
problems.
follow
They
for
don't
more
know what
simple
content to
tech
create.
and earning
They
tips.
don't want to show
Thanks
their
for
face.
watching this video.
And editing videos feels
Please subscribe
complicated.
to the channel
So
SSC Knowledge Center. Have a nice day.